If you have more than 10 SEO issues on your website, are you considered an SEO serial killer? You just might be, but let's change that. Today we're going to take a look at 3 killers of your SEO efforts and how to fix them. If 2 or more page titles share the same page title, this can cause the page to compete against each other and weaken search engine optimization. Each page on your website should have its own focus. So to fix this, you're going to want to edit the page title on each page so that they have a unique page title. A good page title is going to provide an accurate description of the content, important keywords that relate to the content. It's between 50 and 60 characters and written for users with search engines in mind. Without a meta description, you don't convey accurate information about your page. This doesn't provide any value to Google or the person scrolling the search results. The meta description is your opportunity to advertise the content of the page and entice searchers to click it amongst the plethora of search engine results. To fix this, create a unique meta description for each page that accurately describes the content within. A good meta description includes keywords that relate to the content of the page, is max 120 characters in mobile search results, and about 300 in a desktop search. And it'll provide compelling description of the page. The page title is the single most important place to keep your keyword. Without a keyword, your page might not show up in the searches you want it to. So if you want your page to rank on a specific keyword or phrase, you should definitely use that in your page title. To fix this, edit each page title so that it includes the chosen keyword for that page. Don't forget that the page title should provide an accurate description of the page's content and be written with both users and search engines in mind. So I hope these give you a bit more clarity into your SEO strategy. If you want the full ebook of all 17 killers of your SEO efforts and how to fix them, download it here, and then of course get those sleeves rolled up. So until next time, cheers!